Today on Thunder Bear 4-wheel drive, we do this.
And you thought it had bright lights before. I am a very, very happy camper. So I think you can guess what's about to happen next. So let's get to it and let's get these lights installed. So one of the first things we need to do is we need to take and mount the brackets for the lights on the A-pillar brackets here. So on the new bracket, you can see you got a center hole here, and we've got a couple arcs so you can rotate this. So we're gonna have to drill some more holes in these brackets. So I'm gonna get to measuring that out, taking those off, drilling those holes, and we'll speed through that so we don't bore you to death. We're done. They're not tight yet. I'm gonna tighten them down here in just a second, but they do function. I've got them wired for their battery hot, so I just have to push the button and they'll come on. I got the backlights to work. It took me a little bit to find a circuit in the fuse block that I could put a fuse tap on to get that to work when it was key hot. Wires come up out of the foam piece right there, come across the cowl. I got them tucked in all the way over here and coming down through there, and everything's tucked down inside there. My ground is right here. Oh, come on, focus. There we go. Ground's right there, and then we've got our T-tap right there coming out of the fuse block right there, and my jumper cables. Future episode, you guys will see how cool this stuff is. So but let me reach in here real quick and turn these on. Bada boom. Much brightness. There, it's focused. So they're stupid bright. There is our amber backlight. So those will be on whenever the vehicle's on. So it's kind of a DRL along with my other daytime running lights. So adds a little bit more to it. So yay, there's my ambers, and that looks cool as all heck. I'm totally stoked. That is awesome. Okay, well, I've got the lights adjusted finally. So right now we're rolling down the road with my regular headlights, and boom. That's a whole lot more light, right? That is just pretty awesome. I'll turn right here at the canal and be able to see the hill on the back side. So, no LP4s, LP4s. So for an off-road light, I think that these are going to do just fine. You can see just how much side light these throw off. It's pretty impressive. It definitely gives you a much better sense of what's going on immediately in front of you. These are very, very nice lights. I'm very happy with them. So, cruising with my low beams on right now. And here's some LP4 action. Boom! So, yeah, I think it's a market improvement on all the things. So this is a look at the lights in the daylight, where we can see I was up pretty late last night. I was out till 1 in the morning working on this, and just kind of give you guys an idea of what it looks like with it installed, how much room I have between the antenna and the light. So it all turned out really, really good, I think. I want to say thank you to everybody for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will catch you in the next video.